Hey everyone, today we will be making a beautiful decoration for Christmas. So let's start with the Christmas tree. For that, here I have taken 30 by 30 centimeter green color paper sheet. Firstly, we have to fold it diagonally, then fold it like a handkerchief, 4 folds. Then we have to give it a diamond shape for this foldings. It should work like a simple pop-up card. See, it will work like this. And now flip it upside down and fold the side edges to the center. Now flip this and repeat the same with the back side. Now we have 4 sides from which one side we are going to open up and fold it up like this. Simply we are dividing the one side into 2 sides. See, now I have converted the one side into 2 sides. Repeat the same procedure with the rest of the 3 sides so that togetherly we will have total 8 sides for our Christmas tree. See, open this up and fold it inside. Now I have this 8 sides. Cut out the remaining portion and add the horizontal cuts like this from both of these sides. Now fold these sides. We have 8 sides, so repeat the same procedure with rest of the 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The tree is ready. Now for making its base, here I have rolled a paper and attach it simply to this tree. Now let it dry. Meanwhile, make a star shape, cut it out and stick it at the top of the tree. Now make some little balls for decorating your Christmas tree, and your Christmas tree is ready. Let's make a Santa Claus. For that, I have taken 10 by 10 centimeter paper sheet. Fold it from both the top and bottom side in 1 centimeter. Flip it and fold it into half vertically, then take the sides to the center. At this point, I forgot to stick this white strip of paper from both the sides. You can stick this strip at the beginning. And fold it into half. See, now we have a body of this Santa is ready. Now let's make its face. For that, I have also taken 10 by 10 centimeter paper sheet. Fold the sides into 1 centimeter and the top corner. Again, color it white, or you can simply stick white paper on it like I am doing. Flip it and fold the corners inside. With these folds, we are making cap of the Santa. See, now keep it inside and once again stick this properly. Now let's make its face. For that, you have to color this paper into white. See, now make eyes of the Santa and stick this face portion to the body part. And a cute Santa is ready for decoration. Now let's make teeny tiny gift boxes. For that, I have taken 12 by 12 centimeter thin paper sheet, but you can also make it by using thick paper or regular paper. Fold it diagonally and then fold it into half horizontally as well as vertically. We are repeating the same types of folding that we have done in the Christmas tree. except that we have made it for diamond shape. Now we are making it for a triangular shape. See, it also works like a pop-up card, but it has a triangular shape and not a diamond shape. Now fold the sides upwards. Repeat it from the back side. Fold the corners inside. Do the same with the back side. Now we have one open end and one closed end. Fold the closed end as I am doing, and then fold the open ends like this. Repeat it from back side. Now we need to fold this inside this tiny pockets. For that we need to make one more fold. See, fold it. And then insert it inside the pocket. You need to repeat the same procedure with the back side as well. Now it's almost ready. Open it up with the sides, and you have two ends. One is the closed one. See, you can see that the closed end, and this is the open end. You can blow the air from here or simply put your finger to pop it up. I've made two such boxes. To make a gift, I'm wrapping a ribbon around these gift boxes. You can attach or stick a ready-made ribbon of your choice, or simply make it like this. Stick it on top of gift box. And these gift boxes are ready. Now we have done all of the things. Now let's start the arrangement. For that, here I have a thick card sheet. Cut it into a round shape or whichever shape you want, and mark the places of Christmas tree and the Santa Claus. Now we are going to apply or stick this cotton on this card sheet. Apply glue all over this card sheet. Then stick the cotton on this card sheet. Don't just stick it as it is. Before sticking, spread it in generous amount and then stick it on the cardboard. It will be better if you use white colored cardboard or card sheet. Otherwise, you need to use a lot amount of cotton. Don't stick the cotton over the marked places of the Christmas tree as well as the Santa. This cotton will give you a feel like a snow. It will appear like snow. Apply less cotton at the area where you are going to stick the gift boxes, or you can simply mark the places of gift boxes as well, or just simply leave some space or stick some less cotton. Let's stick this Christmas tree and Santa. Arrange these gift boxes and your decoration is ready. You can add lightings, you can add anything else of your choice to make it more attractive. Please do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and till then, enjoy.